Welcome everybody to another episode of the Unbox Minute. Today we're going to be looking at the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So looking at the box, it's really minimalist. Additionally, as you can see, the box is really slim, but at least it feels heavy and weighted. On one side it says Galaxy S24 Ultra and Samsung on the other side, embossed but in the same muted colors. On the rear, there is some information which is quite tiny. You probably need a magnifying glass to read that. So without further ado, let's open up the box and take a look at what's inside. Now that we have the box open, you can see the rear of the phone unit. So opening up the kit, you can see that there is a SIM ejection pin, some documentation, and a USB Type-C to Type-C cable. Unfortunately, there's no charger included in the box and you're going to have to buy that separately. As for the documentation, there are 6 individual pieces, a quick user guide, some safety information, and warranty and guarantee information in multiple languages. Now coming to the actual phone unit, this is the titanium black edition. You can see the quad camera setup on the rear. There is a sticker to protect the screen, so let's remove that. Do get subscribed if you aren't. We're gonna test this phone in day-to-day use and put it through its paces and see how it performs. Hit pause now for the quick spec sheet. Hope you're enjoying our content. Don't forget to like and share this with your friends, and see you in the next one.